How to delete YouTube channel permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to permanently delete your YouTube channel using your Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone, and now here, once you are inside the YouTube app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in this section, just tap on switch account button and select the YouTube channel that you want to delete. And now here, once you have changed the account, simply tap on the profile icon again. And after that, simply tap on Google account. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll through the option at the top and simply tap on data and privacy. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there you can see the option labeled as download or delete your data. So below that option, you simply have to tap on delete a Google services. And now here on the next page, it may ask you to re-enter your Google password. So simply enter your password and then tap next. And with that, now here in this section, you simply have to tap on the trash icon next to the YouTube. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to select, I want to permanently delete my content. And with that, you simply have to scroll down and check the boxes to confirm. And after that, you simply have to tap on delete my content. And with that, you simply have to type in your channel name or email exactly as it appears and then tap on delete my content. And that's it. With that, your YouTube channel will be permanently deleted from your phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.